Here I have ALLVIEW X2 Xtreme, and let me show you how to insert here micro SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to open the back cover. Let's do it by using the cavity right here. So let's use your nail finger to open the whole thing. Let's do it step by step from the bottom of your device to the top. Here you've got access to the 2 SIM slots and 1 SD slot. So let me start by using the memory card, the micro SD, with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card right here and push it to the end. Alright, now let's insert the SIM card. Here I have the micro SIM with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that slot and also let me push it to the end. As you can see here, you should hear the characteristic click. I'm gonna leave the 1 SIM slot empty. You may use it, it depends on you. So now let me close the back cover. Right, let's just press power key to switch on the ALLVIEW X2 Xtreme, and let me make sure that both cards are working properly on my device. Excellent, let's unlock the screen. Find and select the settings. Here you need to scroll down, and under wireless and networks you should choose the dual SIM settings. As you can see, the device is reading our SIM card. Let's go back. You may also find the storage. It should be located under advanced settings, and here you should find the storage under the hardware. And as you can see, the device is reading our SD card, so you can use your external storage. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.